This is a top link from our Kubota tractor, and as you can see, it's been busted, and it would cost more for a new one than we want to pay. So if you have a used top link for a Kubota tractor, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm. We'd like to buy used top links for tractors to have extras and spares, because they do break. Or if you have a broken one that has another end, we'll buy that from you. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers. There will always be a reason to plant arborvitae, and that is you probably have neighbors. If this is a property that's next to you and you need help blocking and screening it, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm. We have many kinds of trees to block this kind of a neighbor.